Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by importing your clip and dropping it into a new composition so you can work non-destructively. Once done, scrub to a clear face frame and create a solid or null object for the tracker target. This keeps your data organized. Make sure to open the tracker panel and switch to face tracking. Detailed trackers are built for eyes, nose, and mouth. Don't waste time on preferences now. Start tracking the best frame and set your tracking region roughly around the face. Now you run the detailed face tracker so After Effects calculates multiple control points across facial features. This improves stability for warps or object attachment. While tracking, pause and inspect the error or drift. If a point jumps, stop, reduce the region, and retrack that segment. Once the machine pass is done, scrub frame by frame and add manual keyframes where occlusion or motion blur cause drift. This dual approach, automatic then manual, gives a robust track for compositing or retiming. To finish, transfer the face tracking data to a null or directly parent your graphic, retime it, and adjust scale or rotation so the element sits naturally on the face. Once done, apply slight smoothing to keyframes to remove jitter and use masks or feathering to blend edges. Color match using curves if needed. Make sure to render a short test and review at full resolution. If things go wrong, clear the tracker, reduce region size, and retrack the problematic segment from a stable frame.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.